Hello everybody. It's been a hot minute. I know that I kind of disappeared on y'all. As you guys know, I have a baby overseas and I've been doing this.
1, 2, keep going. I know it's hard. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Come on, one more. 3. Good job. Good job.
So I'm standing over here in this cleaned out area and it gives me such a sense of calm. It's almost like a zen going on. And then I look over here at all of this stuff and it just gives me so much anxiety because I know how much has to be done. So the main reason that I want to get all this cleaned out is because I'm really going to start to, in the next few weeks, work on the projects that are going to make an actual impact on the building here. So I want to be able to pull in a vehicle with a trailer and be able to drive down to the other end of the building because there's so much stuff I need to load up for the scrapyard, for the dump, just to haul off. So in order to do that, I need to clean out this space so that I can get traffic through here. So I've been putting anything that has a modicum of value in here that's going to go to the auction that I've talked about endlessly on this channel. And I'm putting it over there. So hopefully somebody will find some interest in it and get some value out of it. I'll let the auction decide what it's worth. I just need it out of my hair. I need it all gone. So the strategy for today is to at least to get a good start on all of this and put anything that can go in the auction over there, then make another pile of wood and cardboard and stuff that I can burn to reduce the amount of stuff that needs to go to the dump. And then also I need to make a pile of scrap metal because very shortly I'm going to be making a video about taking metal to the recycling facility here, selling that metal, keeping it out of a landfill, and hopefully going a long way toward funding the trips to the actual dump. So, yeah. I'm not going to make any projection about how far along I'm going to get today, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. So, it's great to be back, and I'm going to start uploading regularly again, and yeah. Oh, feels great. Okay, let's do it. So I've talked about this thing in a previous video, and this was a rolling tool cart that was pulled around the Firestone factory in Decatur as a tool cart behind a bicycle. So we got it at a garage sale. The guy said his dad used it for basically his whole career. And I had done a lot of work on it and made it look great, but then an oil can got set up here and leaked out, and so it still needs to be cleaned up. But I'm going to use this exactly for what it was intended for. And in a future video here coming up pretty soon, I'm going to convert this into a rolling tool cart so I can take everything with me, just roll it around anywhere I go in the building, and that will save me tons and tons of time on all of the projects. So as I go through all of this stuff, I'm going to start setting aside all the tools that I have. I also have a bunch in that back room there. And I'm going to try to consolidate it and organize it as much as possible so that I have a great rolling tool cart. Okay, so one more box, and this one is full of shattered ceramics. So I have an upcoming video. I'm going to put that to use, so stay tuned for that. And then we got a little bit more right here to go. Okay, I'll tell you what, all that ceramic stuff is a pain in the you-know-what. So I got this cleaned out, and I just noticed some stuff under here, which I'll be able to add to my little tool pile over there. All right, getting the collection going. Okay, so I'm gonna put these pallets out front. Hopefully somebody will take them, because I know that reusing pallet wood is kind of a thing, and probably at some point I would have a use for them. But right now it's more important for me just to get stuff out of here, and I have so many projects that tearing down pallets is not real high on my list. So I'm gonna put these outside, and hopefully somebody will take them and they'll get put to use a lot quicker than I could get around to it. So let's see if anybody takes them. Okay, so some of you might be wondering why I don't keep those and use them to, because I got all that stuff to move around in the building. But the truth is that I've got so many of those pallets in the building, and sometimes I just need to get something out of the building, just get it gone. That can't be, the value of that can't be understated. So this stuff is out of my hair. Hopefully somebody's gonna pick it up tonight. So we'll check back on the next video and see if it's still here. Okay, so about 4 hours deep, and that's all I've got accomplished. Don't ask me where the time goes. It's a mystery even to me. So, but every little inch forward is an inch forward. So the main thing is that I just wanted to make a short video today and let you guys know that I'm back at it, and I'm gonna start posting again really regularly. And the video should be kind of interesting over the next few weeks, because I'll actually be doing concrete projects on the building. So I didn't expect for a jet lag to hit me this hard. I just got in last night, like I said, and yeah, it's like I hit a brick wall. So I think I'm just gonna call it quit for today. And thanks for checking out the video, and looking forward to a lot more uploads here in the very near future. So talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.